materialistic, melancholy, and practical, bit stubborn, zodiac sign are Capricorn. First, I will discuss about their positive trait. The Capricorn, if you are a friend of Capricorn, you will consider yourself as a part of their family because they are actually a friend in need is a friend indeed. They are not the fun friend, but they are the one who are going to celebrate your birthday party, who are going to take care of your all needs, who are going to boost you up or who are going to back you up. They are the one whom you can rely on the difficult situation, whom you can rely on. They are the one whom are going to support you, but as this is their trait as a friend, and if we talk about as a head of the family, or if we are going to talk about their nature as a partner, they are the one whom you feel more secure. They always keep their family first, family and the friends. They are very honest and they know how to deal with all the difficulties of the life, and they are the one who make sure that their life is secure, their partner life is secure, their friend life is secure. If you can say that they are the gold digger, not the gold digger, gold digger, gold. So it would be very right word for them because they are very passionate about their goals, and they also make sure that their friends are also achieving their goals. Talking about Capricorn, they are one of the best team players. Yes, if you are with the Capricorn, you will feel yourself that they are the best in arranging everything. They are the best in maintaining the security. They are the one who can handle the difficult situation, and they are the one who are going to provide you their shoulder in your bad time. They are the one who are going to back you up. They are not the one who will leave you in the difficult situation. They are very practical and they keep in mind their goals. They think that their life should be very secure. Once we talk about the financial security, they always make sure that their partner lives are secure. They always make sure that their partner and their home is warm in sense of all facilities. They tried their level best to bring to facilitate their home. If you are in you are with the partner, if you are in the relationship with the Capricorn, then you should not worry about your financial matters, then you should not worry about your security because they are the one whom are going to provide you each and everything. But once we talk about their fun fact or their adventurous nature, they always prefer their goals once. Yeah, they think that if you want to enjoy the life, you must have to achieve the goals. You must have to divide your time, you must have to be punctual. And if you are dealing with the Capricorn as a partner, in either male or female, they are going to make sure that you are in the proper in appropriate state of your life and your mindset. They will make sure that you have achieved your goals. And also, once we talk about their negative traits, this practicality or being so much practical or taking each and everything into consideration sometimes make them a bit depressed. And they are the one who not going to reveal their all emotions. They mostly believe that other person should dig up their feelings, and other person should come to know that why are they sad, why are they depressed, and this situation leads them toward a bit, we can say a bit uh, melancholy. Yeah, they are like this. They are sometimes very depressed, and they are not going to show their feelings And second most thing, they are a bit kind of suspicious. Yes, they are not going to trust you completely. If you are with a Capricorn in any situation, they will be suspicious, and they will in keep into consideration, or keep into their they open the account of doubts for their other partner, and they keep putting the points of doubt in their mind that how their partner is treating, and they always will be doubtful. They're not the one who are going to trust you, but from the core of their heart. And they are not the one who put their partner in the core of their until they have fully trust on the partner. Even though they have fully trust, but they still because of their practical nature, or because of too much practicality, they are unable to cope with their nature of practicality, so they prefer, they always give their partner the margin of doubt, but still they are suspicious. Still they remain suspicious. If you are the partner of the Capricorn, you must have to be take into the account their suspicious nature. You have to clear their doubts. You have to be very open with them. They personally, they are very honest. They are not the one who have some suspicious personality, or they are not the one who are going to hide some secrets, or they don't have the secretive nature. If you are with the Capricorn, they are very open minded, they are very broad minded people. They also toward the negative trait of the Capricorn, they are unforgiving. Yeah, if you are not ambitious like them, or if you are not considering your goals, or if you are not taking your life seriously, they are the one who cannot cope with you, because this is their weakness. They want everyone to be ambitious, they want everyone to be like them. And they also, they are very classy. If you are with Capricorn, you have to be neat and clean, you have to be very organized, and you should dress well, same like Libras. Yeah, Libras are also the one whom like good dressing, and whom like very ambitious people, very successful people, career oriented people. So same like Capricorn, they are the one whom to prefer to be the partners of the career oriented, successful. And they always make sure that their friends are also taking their life seriously and trying to achieve their goals, not sitting idle, wasting time. And they do the fun, but first they try to achieve the goals. So if you want to be with the Capricorn, you must have to be I can say that perfect. Sometimes they overly criticize the thing, they overly criticize their partners. Sometimes they get very stubborn. Sometimes this trait, this traits is has shared by both Libras and Capricorn, that they don't bother about their mistakes. Alan Corey seems like they, if they get depressed, it's their partner responsibility to take them out from this depression, to make them happy. And they, if they are depressed, they seem depressed, and they notify their partner. They are very open in their communication. They are very easygoing people. They clearly tell their partners what they want to do. They bring their to-do list clearly. So it's very easy. With the Capricorn, you can easily understand their feeling, and you can easily handle them. And just keep in mind that you should be ambitious, you should be goal oriented, because they are incredibly serious in their relationship, and they are incredibly serious to run the relationship in the long term, because they believe in the security, and they secure their partner. They are not the one who, unlike Libra, they are not one who going to leave you in a difficult situation. Instead, they will give you a shoulder to lean on. But the problem is, the both of them, they are materialistic, and they both Libras and Capricorn both are the goal oriented, both want to uh, wanted to be financially secure. So this is the good thing. I think that living in this world, as far as we are nowadays, the world situation has changed. Especially this pandemic situation has opened our eyes and also made us sure that we we have to be financially secure, otherwise life is going to be more difficult. So I personally and I appreciate their approach towards the life. Capricorns are like an iceberg. They will surprise their partners by bringing different things on their table of love. They know how to decorate their relationship with the fancy emotions, and they are always showering their love on their partners. Same like Libras, they both know how to make their partners happy. Libras are always using their polite and lovely skills of communication, and Capricorns are always using their open minded communication. They believe on one to one communication. So these things are making their life. I wish you all the best, both Capricorn and Libra. I hope you both enjoy your lives and also your partners enjoy their life. So wish you best of luck. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you have enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I will be, it will be very appreciative for me, and I will be encouraged to post more videos for you and keep showing you my viewpoint. Next video I am going to make something different. That's I'm not going to sitting and talking. I'm thinking to do something very different. I hope that they will be executed in a different way, and I hope you will enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.